I'm here with Walter from LINSINGER, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about this rail milling machine that we have here. It's quite an impressive piece of kit, and he's going to tell us all about it.
Hello. That what you can see here is a rail milling machine. A rail milling machine is to restore the rail head if it is worn. On this rail milling machine there are two milling units. The milling unit are equipped with a cutter head. This cutter head is equipped with carbide tips, and with these carbide tips you cut out metal chips out of the rail if the rail head is worn. This machine has the sense to make old railheads new. That's good for driving or riding comfort. That's good for the environment, for the noise. That's good for safety, because the railhead can also have cracks, and these cracks are growing, and in the worst case the rail breaks. And it's a common technology to improve the railhead. This machine was sold to Network Rail. Two of these machines have been delivered in the last 2 years, and they are now working on the network of Network Rail. This machine has a weight of approximately 195 tons and has a length of 50 meters. This machine is a very big machine. It's specially designed for application on big railway networks like Network Rail, but company LINSINGER has also smaller machines in its portfolio, for instance also for metros. These machines are very much smaller and also lighter, and can be used in networks of urban transits and so on. And these machines we can also produce with alternative drive, not with diesel drive. We can also make it with hydrogen or battery driven, which has the advantage that we have zero emission with these machines.